All right, we're gonna do our room tour. Welcome to our cabin. Oh, let me turn off the TV here real quick. Turn the lights on here, be easier to see. So we just have a regular inside cabin. We got the bed, 2 nightstands. Over here it has a little desk. We got 2 plugs there for power, a European style plug. I don't see any USB ports in here. But luckily we brought a power strip that has USB ports on it. Of course, we got the TV, the little bar area. Down in here you have your refrigerator, your safe, got a closet here, does have a mirror for getting ready. Then you got a couple of hanging closets. Got your life jackets in here. And then, of course, you have the bathroom here. Let me turn on the light in here. Has the shampoo and conditioner already there on the wall for you. Nice little feature about cruise ship cabins is that they do have this clothesline right here, and it connects over here on the other side, and you can hang your swimsuits, towels, things on that to dry. Got your head, all of your towels, your shelves. Hey everybody. All right, still got this mask on. You got Tiffany hanging out in the room. But that's it. Just a quick little room tour. Like I said, it's just a nice little inside cabin. And for just Tiffany and I, this is perfect. You know, just enough space. Like I said, we don't spend a lot of time in here. So, only thing that kind of sucked is we brought our magnets there for the door, but they don't stick to the door. The door isn't magnetized. So
we decorated the cabin.
So we're decorating the cabin with them instead. So, all right. I hope you guys enjoyed the room tour. We'll catch up with you in other parts of the ship.